In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your secure patient Wi-Fi set up in your office with the HealthLynked Patient Access Hub. To get started, flip over the Patient Access Hub device and slide the wall mounting track to the left and remove it from the back of the device. You will notice there are two ports. One is the LAN and one is the WAN. Now we need to give the Access Hub power. To do this, grab the PoE adapter and the power cable. Plug this end into the PoE adapter and the two-prong end into your power supply. Next, simply take the network cable provided in your kit and plug it into the PoE port on the adapter and the other end into the WAN port of the Access Hub. Lastly, we need to give the Access Hub an internet connection. To do this, simply use your existing network cable plugged into your wall internet port or wireless router, and plug the other end into the PoE port labeled LAN. Wait a few minutes for the hub to configure and then check your networks, and you should see your new secure HealthLynked Wi-Fi.